Ons gesels met Zander Cronje from the organization New Bloom Autism and Neurodiversity. Zander is the co-founder and CEO of New Bloom, and welcome to the program, Zander.
Hello, Corin, and thank you for having me.
Yeah, that's lovely. So, Zander, as we approach April, which is Autism Acceptance Month, we're looking at how our community can become more inclusive and supportive of neurodiverse individuals. Now, for those who haven't seen the name New Bloom yet, will you kindly inform our listeners what New Bloom is all about?
The New Bloom is a dedicated ecosystem designed to dismantle the barriers facing our neurodiverse community. We have realized out of our story of Willow and Jess that often there's a massive gap between receiving a diagnosis and actually getting the development a child needs. So we are actually here to bridge that gap through specialized education, accessible clinical therapy, and also advocacy for the whole family. We are creating this new system instead of trying to fix the one that's already there.
Yeah, and you mentioned advocating for the whole family, nah? And that is so true because a diagnosis impacts everyone at home. So how exactly, Zander, does New Bloom support the parents in all of this?
That's exactly it. Every child has different needs. So while our therapies are tailored to the children, we know it's not just about the children. That's why we created our Parents Club. And that is where we host professional workshops to make sure the parents and the guardians at home have the equipment and the tools they need to create this safe environment for the children. But it's more so about building a community where families know they don't have to navigate this journey alone.
Yeah, I can think I've had friends, or I still have friends with neurodiverse children, and I love the name, the Parents Club. It makes it feel like a community rather than just a service. So now many parents won't, worry about their children fitting into mainstream schools. Now, does New Bloom help with that, or how do you go about?
A huge part of our mission is where we will collaborate directly with local schools to equip educators with the necessary knowledge and tools. So it's more about mainstream integration and making sure the environment is ready for our neurodiverse learners instead of asking the learners and children to change for the world.
Yeah, that's so true. And April being Autism Acceptance Month, why is it so important for you to be on the airwaves right now?
April is our chance to turn up the volumes. We want to promote neurological thriving because true acceptance actually requires community action. And we want people to know that New Bloom is here right now, but more importantly, how they can get involved. And a perfect example of that action is our upcoming Paddle for Autism. It's a 2-day event. And I also really want to take this moment and give a massive shout out and thank you to the team at Stole Paddle that's here in Stolbo, specifically to Jonathan and Rihanna. The collaboration with them has been so smooth, and they have been incredible partners in helping us putting this together and literally smash the stigma surrounding autism.
Yeah. And you know what, Zander, that's amazing how people, just like you say, the community comes together and help. So if someone's listening right now and a parent or a teacher or a neighbor wants to get involved or needs support, where should they go to?
New Bloom is taking over social media. So we are on all social media pages. People can follow us under the tag at Team New Bloom. And we are here, we are passionate about making sure no family feels they have to navigate this journey alone, but also create a space where it's a place where every mind is being understood.
That's good. So, Zander, thank you for the incredible work you're doing for our town. And how can parents reach out to you for more information?
Thank you, Corin. I do appreciate that. They can reach out directly at info@teamnewbloom.co.za. And whether you're a parent or educator, that channel will direct you to someone that will help you and support you with the specific needs.
Yeah, that's great. So, Zander, thank you so much for your time. And may New Bloom just prosper and may our community just get involved with you guys and help where they can.
Thank you so much. I do appreciate that.
It's a pleasure. Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.